guys, Christine from Christine in Between here. If the thought of holiday baking, shopping, and decorating has you feeling more bah humbug than ho ho ho, then today's video is for you. I've got 3 things you can do right now to help you get ahead for the holidays. Tip number 1, start gift planning and shopping early. Create a gift list to help you get organized and make sure that no one gets forgotten. Set your budget to avoid overspending during the busy holiday rush and start shopping now. There's lots of sales for the end of year and Black Friday coming up. Help spread out those costs by getting your shopping done early. Tip number 2, prepare your home. Declutter all the areas that you'll be using for decorating or entertaining over the holiday season. Take stock of your Christmas decorations, check the lights, make sure they work, make a note of how many strands you might need to purchase, and plan out and purchase new holiday decor during the summer months when they go on sale. Tip number 3, plan out your holiday food and baking. Sit down and write out your holiday menus and pick up any non-perishable ingredients ahead of time. Test all of your recipes. Make sure you have them perfected by the time the holidays come. And get ahead with your baking. A lot of cookies and treats can be frozen for months. There you have it, my 3 best tips to help you feel more organized and be ready to enjoy every moment. If you're looking for more holiday inspiration, I've got you covered. In my next video, I'll show you how you can easily add festivity for any season with hardly any effort. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.